Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a third part of chapter Fundamental Unit of Life. अगर आपने मेरी प्रीवियस 2 वीडियोस नहीं देखी हैं तो ऊपर आई बटन पे जाकर आप देख सकते हैं. So let's get started. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is consist of a system of membrane-bound vesicles which are arranged parallel to each other in stalks called cisternae, along with some large and spherical shaped vacuoles. गोल्गी apparatus एक membrane bound vesicles है जो एक दूसरे से पैरेलली अरेंज होते हैं स्टॉक के फॉर्म में, जिसको हम सिस्टर्ने बोलते हैं, और इसके आसपास लार्ज और स्फेरिकल शेप वैक्यूल्स होते हैं. It was discovered by Camillo Golgi, so the name of Golgi apparatus was given after the name of Camillo Golgi. The function of Golgi apparatus, its function include the storage, modification, packaging and secretion of products in vesicles. What happened? The membrane of Golgi apparatus are in connection with the endoplasmic reticulum. So what the products which are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum are packaged and dispatched to various parts of the cytoplasm to the various targets inside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. So it store, modify and pack the material and secrete it into the vesicles. It involved the formation of lysozymes. It helped in melanin synthesis. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are the tiny membrane-bound vesicles. It contain enzyme for intracellular digestion. Lysosomes, it act as a waste disposal system in the cell. Generally what happen? The waste material which produced within the cell as a byproduct of various reactions are digested by the lysozymes. Lysozymes consist enzymes. Synthesis of lysosomes. Lysosomes is synthesized by the Golgi bodies, and the enzyme present inside the lysosomes are synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum. Lysosomes, also known as suicidal bag. Function of lysosomes. The main function is the digestion. They are a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. It helps in digesting the foreign materials like bacteria and worn out cell organelles. So generally what happens? The waste product of the cells are took by the lysosomes and digested by the enzyme present within the lysosomes. Lysosomes are also known as suicidal bag of the cell. Why? What happens when there is a disturbance in the cellular metabolism? For example, in case of cell damage, these lysosomes burst and their enzymes are released into the cytoplasm, and they digest their own cell. That's why it is known as suicidal bag of the cell. जब भी सेल में कोई मेटाबॉलिक डिस्टर्बेंसेस होते हैं तो ये लाइसोसोम्स जो होते हैं वो बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं और इनके जो एंजाइम्स होते हैं वो साइटोप्लाज्म में रिलीज हो जाते हैं, और वो एंजाइम्स खुद ही के सेल को डाइजेस्ट कर लेते हैं, इसीलिए इसको सुसाइडल बैग ऑफ द सेल भी कहते हैं. Now, the mitochondria. Mitochondria is a rod-shaped structure found in the cytoplasm. It was first seen by Kolker in insect cell. It is also called as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is double membranous structure where the outer membrane has a specific proteins while the inner membrane is folded inside to form a chamber called cristia. These folds create a large surface area for ATP generating chemical reaction. So mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It helps in the production of energy in the form of ATP. It has dual membrane. The outer membrane has specific protein, and the inner membrane are generally folded inside to form cilia, and they provide a large surface area for the ATP generating chemical reactions. The mitochondria help in the production of energy. Generally what happen for any chemical activity in the body, we need energy, and this energy is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate molecules, which is also known as energy currency of the cell. So these ATP's molecules are produced by the mitochondria, and it is used by the cell as an energy to perform different chemical activities within the cell. So the main function is the production and store the energy in the form of ATP. As well as the mitochondria has their own DNA molecules and ribosomes. So they are capable to make their own proteins within the cell. So as you can see in this diagram, it is an animal cell. The cell is covered by a membrane, which is a cell membrane or the plasma membrane. This is the nucleus, which consists nucleolus and a thread-like structures. These are the chromatin. When it condenses with the protein, it forms chromosomes. Nucleus is covered by a porous membrane known as nuclear membrane. It is surrounded by the endoplasmic reticulum. These are the smooth ones which has no ribosomes, and these are the rough because ribosomes are attached to in its surface. This is the Golgi apparatus, which is surrounded by spherical vacuoles. This is lysosomes, which consist enzyme. This is a rod-shaped structure called mitochondria. It has double layer, the outer which consists specific protein, and the inner which are folded to form cisterna, and it is the powerhouse of the cell. And the yellow part you can see in the whole cell is the fluid part, which is the cytoplasm. Now rest of the topic of this chapter will be discussed in my next video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, bye bye.